Hello there and welcome. This is Super Skills. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create columns in Microsoft Word. Columns are a great way to present certain information. Columns can be used to make your work easier to read and presentable. Now let's dive in. How can we create columns? First, if your text is already typed, all you need to do is to select the text from where you want the column to start, this way. So once the texts are selected, all you need to do is to click on Layout, then you click Columns, and then you can select the number of columns you want here from the options 2, 3, and so on. But it is possible also to come to More Columns, and then it will open the dialog box. From the columns dialog box, you can now also select the number of columns you want here, 1, 2, 3, and then you can also select the number here by typing it yourself or by selecting what you want here. For this example, let us use 3 columns. So we have number of columns 3. Now you can also decide to place line between. You click here for line between the columns, and then you click OK. The column is created. Now, how will it look like if you now decide not to place lines between the columns? Just select, click on Layout, then you also click Columns, More Columns. You can also select 3 columns. Then don't click line between, and then you click OK. That's how it looks when you don't have line between columns. Now, another thing you can also do is to create your columns when you have not typed your text. You can have a blank text like this after you have typed your heading. Click Layout, click Columns, click More Columns, click 3 columns. Now select this point forward, line between columns, and then you click OK. So the columns are created. Then you can now type your text. So when you type your text, then the columns will now appear. So that is also how you can also decide to create the columns before you type your text. Now, after you have created your columns, if you now decide not to have columns again, you can also decide to deactivate the columns, to remove the columns. Just click where the column started, you go to Layout, you go to Columns, More Columns, and then you can now choose 1 column, and then you click OK. So the columns are removed. So this is how you can create columns in Microsoft Word. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can also drop your comments in the comment section. So keep watching, and I will see you in the next video.